Okay, so this what I made: potatoes, chapati, pork, water, nuts, more pork. I got rice, veggies, greens, our plates, our forks, our drinks, and candy. Obviously, it stays over there. You are all welcome to have a meal. Merry Christmas. Whew, this is my favorite because look at that. Oh my God. And I am gonna be here with my plate. We're gonna try see what fits on there. I should actually do this. I'll put my chapati at the bottom. I'll get my potato, and I'll need another fork to use or spoon. I'll get some of this, try it, and then I'll get some rice over there. It's a low vibration plate like they call it nowadays. I'll get my veggies. Ooh my God, this looks good. So far the plate is fine. So I'll grab another spoon, get some of this, which is my favorite, and then we're gonna do this. Scoop it up and put it on my plate. Look at that. Woohoo! Some soup. A lot of soup. I like the soup. And I'll get more meat, obviously, but ones with, well, fat, which other people don't like. I love it. Whew, picture perfect. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna need another spoon so we can get some nuts. Yes, and that is a low vibrational plate. Yes, you're all invited to have some since I made it. Yalla, welcome. Obviously, I'll do that. Try to cover my food, our food. I'll try to cover the food. Just, and then I'll get a drink. I'm drinking frizzante today because I drank that in water, which is already in here. Then I got my napkins.